welcome back to the Ninja One YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to put the stickers on the 2024 ZX6R 40th Anniversary Edition. And we're going to apply it on the Armour bodies, Racetrack Fairings, that were painted by Dalton Collision Center in Dalton, Georgia. Getting them on wasn't that difficult. I did capture putting these on unpainted, so if you want to check that out, there will be a link in the description below. But for today's purposes, we're going to put the stickers on here, and we're going to do one side at a time. So let me give you a closer look at the bike and the stickers. Okay, here she is. Man, does she look beautiful. All right, so let me show you where I had a situation. Okay, in this one area right here, after it was painted, it didn't quite fit flush. So what I did is on the back side of the upper fairing here, where the grommet is, I made the hole just a little bit lower with a round file. Okay, and then I guess other than that, it was the two screws that mount on the underside of the nose up in this area right here. And there's two mounting points there on the air intake. But other than that, those were really the only two rough spots. Everything fit really nice. Okay, here are the stickers I'm going to put on. They're kind of grouped together where I want to kind of keep them together on the bike. But there's really no order. I do want to put these Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R stickers on the bottom of the belly, and then I'll put the numbers, I'll figure it out. But I'm going to use this blue tape here to kind of temporarily hold them up to see how it looks before I commit it. Got some markers, squeegee, X-Acto knife, a little warm water with a little bit of soap, and then alcohol and a microfiber. With that said, we're gonna get busy. Stand by.